I was moving my bricks, well, some bricks, and I ran across something that is very, very beautiful. You all are gonna love this. Try not to disturb it. Okay. Can you see right there? That is a huge spider. What I'm gonna do is try to clear this way so get her out. Okay, you ready? You ready? Let's get everything focused here. Okay. See how didn't work. Hold on, let me find something to move this way. Hold on, folks, people. Okay, I got this. Oh, this one's gonna be a pretty one. Okay, there's an egg sac on it. That has to be one of the largest spiders I have seen. Oh, this one's gonna be big. Do you all see that? Do you see that? That is a huge one. I thought it was. Just to show you a size comparison. Here's a brick. Okay, I don't have to do it. You see how large that spider is compared to that brick? Look at that, look at that. That's a huge one. With an egg sac. I don't know whether to play with this darn thing for the rest of the day or continue to move the bricks. This is a huge one. Get out there so everybody can see you. Be the star of the show. Come on, come on. This spider is huge, you all. I got to give it a good 3 inches with the egg sac. Okay, there you go. Come on. She don't want to move. Now, there we go. You all see how large this spider is? This is compared to a brick size. That's how large this spider is. That's almost a 3-inch spread right there. Yeah. Yeah, I see you. That's a huge spider. And how she have these eggs? This had to be some spider that was in hibernation. This is a full spider with an egg sac. And I just happened to disturb her. Okay, Charlotte. Let us not. Come on, go the other way. Go the other way. And I don't want to kill this spider. No, this is not one that you kill. This is one that you just play with in video for a while. Tell it to go and have her babies. Eat all the little ants that's running around. That is a huge spider, folks. Had to show you all that. Thanks for watching. Please like my channel. And I will post something else later on. Thank you all. I was showing you all that one spider. That's that one spider right there. Ran across an ant colony, and all the ants are on this spider, you know, messing with her. I'm moving the bricks and everything, and lo and behold, I find another one right there. This one is more active, and it's just as large. There you go. So it's 2 spiders. I really wanted to get them together, let them meet, be neighbors and stuff. But this one kind of ran away, ran the opposite way. I'm gonna see if I can get her to go and meet her neighbor. This one right here is more frisky. See them? She runs and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna call her Mrs. Jones. She the one that runs from the neighbors and stuff. They gotta go. Now the other one didn't move like that. So hopefully, once they see she's moving, she's a mover. Now, she is going to run across the other one. See there they go. Watch what happens. Boom, they ran across each other. It's gonna be one of those juicy crab fights that you see in the videos. They had to stand still. The one on the left has her arms up in the attack mode already. So the one that was running has actually stopped, but those ants gonna get to her. Okay, she don't know what to do. They are at it. Ooh, we got us a spider fight. That might be kind of interesting. Could I go the other way? I wanna see what happens. Oh, boom. Okay, she's not gonna do anything. She's a chicken, and the other one, the spider senses is up. Boom, there they go. Yeah. I'm gonna leave these two alone. I've played with them enough. But it was kind of interesting to see these two spiders right here. Oh, this one right here, she is ready. She is ready. Egg on. It's almost worse, better than the snake that I was getting. Oh shit, time to go. They done start shooting. Thank you all for watching this video. I would continue, but they're shooting across the street. Bye for now. Bye for now. I need to go.